Hi, this is Goggett. This is second part to my Easy Jambalaya My Way video. And going to go ahead and show you how all this comes together. And what I did is I went ahead and I'm browning up the sausage and the onions and the bell pepper. And I'm going to show you how we make this. Over here we have the sausage, onions, and bell pepper, what I've kind of browned up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and add the chicken broth. And I brought the the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of water, but I put chicken broth and also brought this to 2 1/4 cup. That's because I'm adding diced tomatoes, which is also going to cause well, bring some moisture. So we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Just like this, and I'm going to turn the heat up to high. Going to add my diced tomatoes and my ZATARAIN'S rice with seasoning mix. Going to give it a stir. What we want to do is bring this up to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, what we're going to do is cut this temperature down to a like a simmer. We're going to go ahead and let it simmer. Very easy to make. I mean, it's not hard at all. And, well, it's already beginning to smell good. Going to bring this up to a boil. And what we want it to do is start boiling, and as you can see, it's starting to boil right now. So just go ahead and let it go just a little bit longer. And once it reaches the boiling state, then we're going to cut it down, put a cover on it, and let it cook for about 25 minutes. We should have our jambalaya coming out pretty decent after that. I did add about a tablespoon of olive oil to whenever I was browning up the vegetables and the sausage, just so it would brown up better. Okay, that's right there. It's to a boil, I'd say. And all this is going to come together. Okay, I'm going to cut that down to a simmer. Put a lid on it. Halfway lid. It's not a lid what fits this, but it's going to work. And just let it cook for about 25 minutes. I have the third and final part coming up, and it'll be the finished product. I'll show you how it come out. And like I say, it's very easy to make. If you want to put chicken in it, that's fine. If you want to put shrimp in it, that's fine. Crawfish, whatever you like. I'm just doing it today with sausage, and I like the taste of the sausage in it. And this is Scoggett. Have the next video coming up, and appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.